Hi everyone. In Budget 2026, I expect a continued focus on Atmanirbhar Bharat and Viksit Bharat story by push on Make in India agenda. From indirect tax perspective, it is going to be a customs duty centric budget, which is also evident from the recent announcement by the Honorable Finance Minister, wherein she said that the simplification of customs duty and its administration would be the next big reform agenda for her government. The government has already started taking steps for complete procedural overhaul of customs administration by introducing customs integrated system CIS by unifying ICES, that is Indian Customs EDI system, ICEGATE and RMS, which is the risk management system of customs department. These operate on different backend architecture as on date and have limited interconnectivity, which causes delays, duplication and manual intervention. The integration of different systems into one unified customs platform, that is CIS, will smoothen paperless data submission and reduce clearance times from current 3-4 days to 24 hours. From the customs duty rate perspective, the government has already reduced the customs duty tariff rates from 22 tariff rates to 8 tariff rates in the last few budgets. Now in this budget, the expectation is to decrease it further down. I expect that there will be increased focus on improving the value addition in the country and also reduction in duties on components and inputs to eliminate the inverted duty structure. This will make our exports more cost effective in the international trade and provide impetus to the exports in the global trade. Further, there is an expectation that the government will overhaul the duty payment for clearances from SEZs to DTA, as the SEZs are losing its sheen in the light of various trade agreements with different countries, which are already signed and to be signed in the near future by India. The SEZs need to pay full basic custom duty when the goods are cleared in DTA, as compared to imports from countries with which India has signed trade agreements. In such a case, procurements from SEZs are more expensive. In the GST front, the industry is also expecting to allow businesses to claim input tax credit on essential business expenditure, which are currently blocked under Section 75 of the CGST Act. These include credit on renting of motor vehicle, insurance services, and construction-related credit of business premises, factory, etc. The industry is also expecting relief from multiple notices and assessments which they have to deal with and spend time and resources for the same, especially those operating from multiple jurisdictions. If their assessments can be completed by one set of officers, something akin to LTU of the erstwhile regime, it will ease the compliances to be undertaken by such companies. I expect, as recommended in the 56th GST Council meeting, the government will delete the Section 13(8)(b) of IGST Act, which provides the place of supply for intermediary services at the location of the supplier. Subsequent to this change, the place of supply for intermediary services will be determined as per the default provisions under Section 13(2) of the IGST Act, that is the location of the recipient of such services. That's it from my end. We are all looking forward to a positive budget by our government, which will turbocharge India's growth story. Thank you.